What's up guys, last week I tested Wi-Fi extender from Rockspace company, but I also have a smart wireless camera from the same brand. The main features of this camera are 1080p resolution, 9000 mAh built-in battery with up to 180 days of battery life on a single charge, a powerful spotlight for a color night vision, motion detection sensor, and many others. In this video we will do unboxing, look at design of the wireless camera, its installation, app functions and video quality day and night. You can use the timecodes in description under the video if you don't want to watch a whole video. However, I appreciate your likes and comments. So the new wireless camera from Rockspace comes in this box. And there is only a model name on the front, while the main features are on the side. You can also scan a QR code on the box to download the app on smartphone. We will talk about it a little later in this video. Inside the box there is a camera, a bracket, a mounting kit, micro USB cable and user manual. You know, Rockspace C1 wireless camera is not very compact. I think this is because of built-in battery. The dimensions are 72 by 72 by 120 mm. However, it is not heavy, only 340 grams. The new camera has two rotatable antennas for better Wi-Fi connection. On the front of the camera, there is a spotlight, lens, indicator light, microphone, and motion detection sensor. On the back we can see a speaker grill and a sticker with some information about camera. Rockspace C1 has a screw hole at the bottom to install a bracket. By the way, a bracket is made of quite cheap plastic, but you can use it to mount the camera on the wall at different angles. The camera also has a power button, reset button, micro USB charging port, and memory card slot. They are hidden under the rubber plug to prevent water from getting inside the body. Yes, you can install Rockspace C1 wireless camera outside, thanks to IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating. So there is actually nothing special about design of this camera, but I like the build quality. It looks reliable. Now let's talk about connection and app functions. First, you need to download and install Rockhome App on your Android and iOS device. After you open the application, you need to sign up with a new account. When account is registered, you can add a new device. As you can see, the first step is to power on the camera. You just need to press the power button under the rubber plug and wait for the sound notification. The LED indicator on the front will also blink blue. The app will start searching the new device. There are two connection methods, but my camera doesn't have Ethernet cable, so we can only use a connection via Wi-Fi. Now select your home Wi-Fi network and enter a password from it. A final step is to show a QR code on the smartphone to the camera. You will hear a voice message that Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected.
That's all. As you can see, I have a firmware update. It is required to be updated for a better experience. Let's do this. Now we can see a live video from the camera. You can enlarge it by clicking on this icon. There are also buttons to record a video, take a snapshot, and mute the sound. If you go back to the small screen, you can turn on the siren and spotlight. There is also a button for two-way communication. You just need to press this button and speak. The camera settings look like this. Here we can see a Wi-Fi strength, camera status, and camera location. In the motion detection menu, there is a motion detection function itself, as well as sensitivity for motion detection. You can also enable cool down time and interval time for it. Another feature of Rockspace C1 camera is a smart detection of person, pet, vehicle, and package. However, this is paid feature, and you need to purchase a plan for it. In the notification settings, you can only turn on off a notification, while the other functions are paid, such as merge, push, and smart push. The activity zone function is also not available in the free version. Rockspace C1 camera has a sleep mode. You can use it when you're at home. The lighting settings include the indicator light, a flashlight alarm, night vision on-off, and a night vision mode, such as infrared mode and color mode. You can also choose a light sensitivity level. In the audio settings, you can enable the alarm siren, duration for it, and volume. As you have already noticed, the camera has voice prompts. You can choose a language for the voice prompts and change a volume for it. Finally, in the advanced settings, we can enable the anti-flicker function and choose frequency for it. If you need to rotate a camera, you can do this in the installation settings. Now let's look at the video quality. As I already said, Rockspace C1 has Full HD video resolution. The field of view is 96 degrees horizontal, 56 degrees vertical, and 128 degrees diagonal. You know, the video quality in daytime is very good, but I am more interested in the night videos. The camera has a night mode, so the video in black and white. Overall, the quality is quite good. However, one of the main features of Rockspace C1 camera is a spotlight. You can use it for color night videos. Using a spotlight, the video quality is almost the same as in the daytime. By the way, it is also a good way to scare away uninvited guests. So a spotlight and alarm siren of the Rockspace C1 camera will make your home as safe as possible. You know, Rockspace C1 is probably one of the best wireless security cameras in 2022. What do you like about this camera? First, it has a good build quality and IP65 waterproof rating, so you can install it outdoors. The next feature of this camera is built-in battery with up to 180 days of battery life. To be honest, I haven't checked the battery life because I have been using this camera for only 2 days. However, 9000 mAh battery is really large. The application is very friendly and easy to set up. However, some functions are paid, such as smart detection and activity zones. If you really want these functions, you have to buy a plan. As for the video quality, it is good both day and night. A spotlight provides a color night vision. For the price of only $79, Rockspace C1 is a good security camera. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!